Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. It's the August box. It says bed. I don't know. Again, I want to apologize for the way I look. It is very warm. I think you have to live with this for the next 10 videos because I'm dying of heat. Also, just a quick story. I bought a desktop computer. You know what desktop computers? Because I want to edit videos and I want to play games and just not be worried about my hard drive storage. I don't have any space for the computer and it was expensive. And as you know, the more electronics you have in your room, the warmer it gets. So I will probably die in this heat. Anyways, long story short, unboxing of the LookFantastic box. Me looking sweaty, being out of breath, but I hope you can forgive me. So let's open this up. Okay, so this is the color. I don't know how well the camera picks up. It's like a neon pinkish orange color. It's very strange and like light pink over here. Okay, so the inside says, "Do more of what makes your soul radiate." Something smells nice. Oh yeah, I have to get the LookFantastic page as well because it. No, It's back! Oh my god, it's back. Oh my god, I love you. Oh my god. Okay, so the leaflet is back again. And this is also a box, because I think like 2 months ago we got a pouch. Like a makeup bag thing. Is there something good? I don't know. I'm short-sighted. I don't see it. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna start with this, because this was open. Okay. There is a plastic on top. Can you see how it's stuck in there? Hold on. Okay, this will be the biggest mess I'll ever make. God, like you have to remove the top here so that all the rest of the powder falls down, you know? Oh, okay, okay. There you go, now we're talking. Okay, so the rest is just stuck. There. What even is this? I just opened this up. What is this? A mineral blush in amaretto. I don't like amaretto. Oh my god, ugh. It literally tastes like almonds, like marzipan. I hate it. I literally hate it. So this by Bella here. It's actually nice. A nice brownish nude shade. It has a pink undertone, yes, but it's also very brown. It has some glitter to it. Not too much. Although I feel like this is more of a bronzing shade for me than a blush. Mineral blush, yeah, just basically everything it says. Someone actually asked me on my video how I like the blush brush that I got last time. I really enjoy it. It's so nice. I don't have it here because I'm actually currently using it. So nice, so fluffy. Although the handle is pretty big and I don't touch it. You know, there are indentations on the brush itself. I don't really touch it. I touch it more like in the front. But the brush is great. And so is this blush. It's nice. It's the first thing as well. Oh my god. Okay, this is by Bella Pierre. This is worth £15. Creamy, non-comedogenic, Jesus Christ, and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists, this mirror blusher will bring a healthy flush of color to your face whilst looking completely natural. And this is also cruelty-free. Bella Pierre is cruelty-free. Ooh, I cannot wait to try that out. Ooh. I feel like they know me because I'm literally on the hunt for new blush. And here we are. This one, ooh, Caudalie. Ooh. Vino Perfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correct. Jesus Christ. The heat. Oh my goodness. Radiance Serum Complexion Correction for all skin types. Apply morning and evening before your moisturizer. So this is what that one looks like. You know, I need to smell things. Ooh, even can. Ooh, that smells nice. That actually smells good. So this is worth the big size. The full size is $15.33. A worldwide cult favorite. And for good reason. This Caudalie facial serum is packed with full viniferine, patented by Caudalie themselves and 62 times more effective than vitamin C, scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. Okay, that sounds very intriguing. Ooh, I love it. I have to look at this. Oh, with caffeine for wide awake eyes? What? This is the Ico Mascara Wake Up and Go in black. With caffeine. Give your lashes a lift for instant volume, curl and definition that lasts all day. Oh! It's a tube. Okay. So let's see what the wand looks like. That is weird. Can you see? It's like, oh, this is intriguing. It smells a bit plasticky, to be honest, but I will do a video on this just to see, like, first impressions, because that could be good. I love those little, like, mascara sample size things, because it's easy to use up, it's easy to see whether you like a mascara or not, and then maybe buy the full size. I really like this, and I also love the packaging because it has a cat on there. Yes. I love cats. I mean, I like cats. I love dogs, but I don't like cats. Oh, so, okay, so you either get the Black Magic or the Lash Alert Mascara. This is worth £10. Get along with volumized lashes with the help of your Icon Mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking, or crumbling. Just black, fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. 12 hours! That is very, like, if that works, because usually mascara, like, it's just, if you have, like, curled lashes, it usually just, like, weighs them down. At least the mascaras I use. Anyways, that looks gorgeous. This is the Percy and Reed Hair Wonder Balm. Perfectly perfecting. Look at the packaging. That is gorgeous. Leave-in balm. Ooh. Preps and primes your hair in readiness for all styling products. You know me? Oh, nah, it's sealed. Oh my goodness. Hate it. That looks like very, like, 50s, 60s, doesn't it? I enjoy that, you know it. This is worth £8. A miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your dew. This Percy and Reed balm makes hair more manageable as well as adding moisture, shine, and definition. Work a small amount through towel dried hair from root to tip. I will not do from root to tip because my scalp is very oily and quickly greasy. So I'll probably just, like, ears down. I would have tried it out. Okay, I only have 2 more products left. That's so sad. It's nice, but so sad. Sun-drenched body wash. Oh, okay. A gentle golden mist-like cleanser. Apply to wet skin in the shower or bath. Massage to release the creamy foam. Rinse well. Okay. I never heard of it like a micellar cleanser, like shower gel. You know what I mean? Oh, that's what smells. I told you that something smells really good. What's this? It smells like oranges. Something like citrus. Ooh, it has some glitter in as well. And as you can see, it's actually, like, foaming up. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like candy. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ, I cannot wait. I have so much shower gel to go through. I never heard of a, like a micellar body wash, but I'm all in for it. So this is worth $3.15? Really? That's, like, I thought it was much more expensive. With a delightful citrusy scent, I told you, a subtle shimmer running throughout, deeply hydrate your skin with this I have no idea how to pronounce it, body wash, formulated with Indian fig extract and monk's pepperberry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and body. I love this box. It's, like, I will love it. Okay. Mineral body lotion. The Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. Sea Kissed. It has blush all over. It's also... Oh my god. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. This gives me, like, a flashback to I don't even know where. Oh, that smells so good. Honestly, I have flashbacks to maybe being a child in Italy. I'm not really sure. That smells amazing. I need like 5 bottles of this, please. Honestly, like I said, it's giving me flashbacks to my childhood, and it's very weird. I kind of feel like crying right now. So good. And it's vegan too. Okay, I'm getting emotional here. I don't know why. This is worth £8, and you either get the Dead Sea Water. Wait, it's the same thing. This is the Sea Kissed version, and the other one's the normal version, I guess. Deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalized, refreshed, and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. Like I said, this, I don't know, it's giving me flashbacks. Wow. I never had that before. What is this? Jesus Christ. So the leaflet that we finally have, again, I love it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love the fact that they try to reduce the waste they have, because they always put the LUK in. It's not in anymore. But this, I like flipping through this and then just reading what it actually says and how to use it. 10 minutes with the Caudalie founder. So interview here. Her name is Mathilde Thomas, or Mathilde Thomas in French. Chantecaille, Radiance Elixir, Radiance Elixir, Elixir Luminosité Intense. Vegan friendly, never test on animals. I didn't know Chantecaille was cruelty free. God, they're expensive, but they're cruelty free. Okay, then we have the Beauty Dictionary Retinol, what it actually is, what it does. Mio Sun Drench Body Wash. Oh, this will probably explain a bit more. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free, and uses super clever plant-based chemistry. It doesn't say how to use it, but basically, I would say like a normal charger. I hope. Summer foundations that give you radiance, probably. And then we have the mood board for this month's box. So we have Live From Within, Positivity and Sunny Days. And then next month we have a sneak peek for the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. Just quickly going through, I like all of this. Is that weird? I mean, this looks too beautiful to use, to be honest. Then we have this that smells amazing. We have this that gave me flashbacks to my childhood. Jesus Christ. The blush, I'm intrigued. I don't really use loose blush like this, so I would probably make a mess in the kitchen. In the kitchen. These might as well apply my makeup in the kitchen. I don't know. This I'm also intrigued by, and then this is a nice skincare item, I guess. So yeah, I like all of them. So I also have a coupon code in the info box if you want to use it. I think get like $5 off. I'm not really sure. You don't have to use it if you don't want. You know, I'm not pressuring you or forcing you to use my code. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already, and see you next one. Bye. Why my glasses are always dirty? Please let me know if you are wearing glasses. How do you keep them clean? They're always dirty. I don't even touch them. Oh my god, my eyes look gorgeous in this. Wow. It's so fucking warm. It's actually disgusting. Deeply hydrating and fat absorbing. Now would that not be nice? That would be amazing. Fat absorbing. Oh my goodness. I should not have done that. Oh boy, I should not have done that.